So in this Microsoft Word tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to insert an APA citation into a document here on Microsoft Word. So the first thing you have to do is open up the Microsoft Word application. Once that is done, go to a document. Once you're here, go to the top left, make sure the home tab is selected, and then just slide this bar all the way to the right until you come across references right here. Press on references. Now, if you were to go to this bottom bar right below it, it says insert citation right here. Make sure that APA is selected. So right here, APA 6th edition is selected, but you can go ahead and select, MLA, Chicago style, whatever the case may be for your paper. But for this demonstration, we'll make sure that APA is selected. Once we're done, press on once again, insert citation. Now, if you want to change the type of source, you can change this from a book to an article to a report, a website, whatever the case may be. It doesn't really matter, completely up to you. You can change the language as well. So for for the field right here for APA, the author. So let's just say, for example, we're reading a book on YouTube. So we'll just do Mr. Beast as the author. We'll go title, how to win at YouTube. Just something random. City, I don't know where he's from, but he's from North Carolina, I believe, Mr. Beast. Publisher, we'll just go Mr. Beast Publishing. And then the year, let's just say you wrote it this past year, 2024. Just like that. Once that is done, we'll press on OK. And there you go. You have your citation right here for your inside of your document. So super simple, super straightforward, but this is how to insert an APA citation into a document here on Microsoft Word. Thanks again for watching, and hope this video helps.